Welcome guys. I hope you are well. My name is Sam. I'm helping people to make money online, to create their businesses from scratch, to improve their skills. I'm from France, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can create a business online from scratch and the best way available to you in order to start flowing and get your first customers and to have a clear business plan. It's very important because when you try to make a business online or to create your own business, it can be very frustrated because you have so many options, so many information online, and it can be like, what can I do next? How can I get customers? How I'm gonna market my product or services? And it can be frustrated if you are not in the right mood and with the right people, and if you don't really know what is the step that you have to do, what skills that you have to master in order to really to get a real business and not just an occupation, and you're gonna lose your time, your money if you're not doing right. I mean, I was doing that at the beginning. I was trying to make my own business, to do everything myself, but at the end I didn't get any result or just a few results. So this is why today I'm gonna share with you the best way to get started with your business and to create a real value online for the people, because at the end of the day we all are in the same business, the business of people, the business of serving people. And I'm gonna show you with this 15 days challenge that I'm gonna put a link on the description so you can check it right now. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna turn the camera in order to show you my screen, and I'm gonna present you the 15 days online challenge. It's a challenge that will help you to get started with your business, and most importantly to master the essential skills when it comes to create a business online. And this essential skills is a high income skills, the skills that's gonna allow you to create real income inside of your business. Sorry for my accent, I'm from France, I'm trying to learn English, so tell me on the comment section if my accent is good and if you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna present you it's inside of the 15 days challenge. To be honest, before that you have to fill your email and to pay a couple of boxes to get access to that. So it's not expensive for the value that you get. I think it's like $7 or something like that. I don't remember. I paid like 3 or 5 months ago. So I'm gonna present you what you get inside. So this is my platform, and the day number 1, you're gonna learn about the high ticket and the high profit business online. So which type of business gonna allow you to have high tickets, high profit, and this is what you're gonna see on the day 1. So this is the video that you're gonna see. This mostly about video, and you're gonna have some documents after the video. So this is mostly courses with videos. So on the day 2, you're gonna learn about the top business model online, because there is different model business online. So if you want to try to make money online or to create a business, so you will have many different possibility, and this day 2 you're gonna choose the right for you, because there is so many, and it's very important to choose the right business model for you at the beginning. On the day 3, what you're gonna see Dave Sharp building literally an online business under 30 minutes. Because when it comes to business online, to be honest, you can create a business online very easily if you have the skills. You can create a website, a landing page, promoting all the people product like an affiliate product in less than few minutes. So you're gonna see that in less than 30 minutes, and you're gonna show you the throughout process. On this on this option, you will have the possibility to sign up with ClickFunnels. I don't recommend it to buy this at the beginning because, ClickFunnels it's a little bit expensive and you don't really need that at the beginning to get your business flowing. And I mean, you can use also Builderall if you want to build a sales funnel or just WordPress. There is so many different website builder, but I mean, ClickFunnels is the best, but for funnel it can be very good. But there is also Builderall, it's less expensive and you have so many tools inside also. And then you're gonna see the team behind Legendary Marketer, because Legendary Marketer, it's like a group of people that really enjoy marketing, business online, and you're gonna see what's it's inside. And then you're gonna work about mindset, how to master the inner game, and Dave Schaff will present you the essential book that you have to master. I think that you already know this book. It's the book by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Poor Dad, Rich Dad. So this is the book that you have to master. On the day 5, you're gonna develop your business plan. So it's very important step in here because you will have the possibility to develop your own business plan. And it's very important to develop your business plan because it's gonna be the blueprint of your business. And if you don't have it, you will be lost, like me couple days ago or a couple months ago, and then you will have the answer question with Dave. He's gonna present you the testimonial of the customers on the day 6. On the day 7, you're gonna see when you should quit your job to build your business. It's a very important step. You don't have to quit your job right now because you need some security before quitting your job. I mean, you're gonna see when is the right time to quit your job and to build your business full time. And now on the day 8, you will see what it's high income skills. High income skills is very important when it comes to business online, and you're gonna learn about all of them on the day 8. On the day 9, you're gonna see the high income skills number 1. That's called high income skills number 1. It's lead generation. If you don't know what lead generation is, the ability to get new customers on the upcoming flow. And that means if you want to have a business, you should get new customers like every day. I will recommend also another book if you're interested about that. Just tell me on the comment section. I will recommend you a book for lead generation, a very good book for that. Okay, on the day 10, you will learn about copywriting. Copywriting, basically, it's the skills that allows you to sales with copy, like to sales with your email, to sales with your videos, to sales with all your ads, your marketing content. So we're gonna see about copywriting in here. It's very interesting. And on the day 11, you're gonna learn about high income skills sales presenting. You're gonna learn about sales, how to sales presenting. There is different possibility when it comes to sales with presentation, and you have to master these high income skills, because if you don't sell, you don't have a business. And sales is the most important things when it comes to business. It's the flow, the blood flow of your business. And if you don't sell, your business will die. Then on the day 12, you're gonna see when it's what to outsource, what is good to outsource, what is not good to outsource, and how you can do it easily. Nowadays you have Fiverr, you have Upwork, you have so many possibilities to outsource, but you're gonna learn what it's good to outsource and what it's not good to outsource, and when. On the day 30, you're gonna learn about OPM to build your business using other people money to build your business. That is that way. If you don't have cash now, you will learn how you can use other people cash in order to build your business and to get the flow, and you know. And a lot of very successful companies build their business with other people money. So on the day, sorry, I missed the day, it's on the day 14, you're gonna learn how to avoid the entrepreneur, the guys and the girls who want to build a business but never start, or kind of like they procrastinate about building their business, and it's a syndrome. It's the entrepreneur syndrome. The people who want. We're gonna learn how to avoid it. And 15, on the day 15, this is your last day, and you're gonna see how you can create your first sale. This is very important because it's the blueprint, and then you have the possibility to join the affiliate program and I didn't tell you that, but you know, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna